You guys already know what time it is when you see this. Welcome to another mansion. This one happens to be 8 beds, 8 baths, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. So as we walk in, we're greeted by the dining area. Has super high ceilings, it's over 20 feet. Over here to the right, we got our espresso machine. Here's the kitchen area. The place is not yet ready for Airbnb. It's just being furnished, but we'll get it there. We have a wine rack or wine fridge. This is the kitchen area, or excuse me, this is the living room area. We have to get our TV back up there. And then I'll show you guys now the other side of the house. It's so big. It's gonna take a little while, but here's a tour. In this huge open space right here, we can either add a second living area, which doesn't add much value. So I'm thinking of turning this into another hangout. We're gonna put bar stools or seating around the side and add games in the middle. Over here already, we have a pool table. This is the man cave, or used to be an office, but is now a pool table in there. Over here, we got our first 2 bedrooms, which share a bathroom. All this older stuff is going to be removed and replaced with much better looking furniture. This is one of the shared bathroom. And as we walk through, we have the other bedroom. That's me. I'm gonna show you guys the rest of this property. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs. This place is in Orange County, California. Yeah, and it's pretty close to Disneyland. So I'm gonna mark it to the Disney crowd. But you know, we'll see how that goes. It's also in an area that is regulated for Airbnb. So we're going to be using this as a 30-day plus. There's this corner here. It could be utilized as maybe just another amenity area. So I'm thinking we can put 1, 2, 3 arcades in there, because this is where the kids will stay, right? Here's 1 bedroom. All the bedrooms have a bathroom attached to it. This is 8 beds, 8 baths. So I'm not going to show you all the bathrooms, but so we're going to turn this again into the arcade area. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 arcades there. Here's another bedroom. And we're going to be changing all the sheets and everything and add art to make this thing pop. And here's another bedroom. So far we've seen 5. And then here's a shared bathroom for actually these 2 bedrooms here. As we make our way down the hall, here's bedroom 6. That's the bathroom. Bedroom number 6. Okay. And then coming down here, we're greeted with dual balconies, on 1 on each side. Looking down, that's the dining room. I mean, that table, from what it looks like, can also extend, you know? So technically, it can seat enough people to look like the Last Supper. So if we turn back around here, this is our entrance. This is where we come up. Once you come in, immediately on your right, you're greeted with a spiral staircase to come up to the 2nd floor. And what's cool here is, as we make our way down to the very end, on our left here is the master bedroom of the house. It's a really big sized bedroom. You know, to feel extra cozy, we have a fireplace here. And this is where you just lounge out and have a good time. Okay. I'm gonna avoid the closet. I'm gonna go over here to this side. Looks like this is just a storage closet. And I'm gonna take you guys upstairs now. There's one more half level up. So over here we can add a little bit more amenities. I'm thinking we can add a foosball table right here. And then in here we got ourselves a nice theater room. Okay, check this out. And the theater room also has its own bathroom. So not only can you watch a movie, but you can come in here, relieve yourself, and take a shower in between. Look at that. We're gonna be adding 6 full-size theater chairs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to be adding our projector above, and then adding our screen here, and then putting in speakers. This whole project here, I say everything with all the new furniture and everything combined to get this place up to speed will cost less than $20K. And my estimate for this property is anywhere between $20,000 to $50,000 a month, just depending on season. Now, if I can get an exception to run this as a short-term rental, and if we really do that during the summer, without a doubt, I know that I can charge $4,000 plus a night in this property, which I've done many times before in other properties that are similar. So if you think about it, you know, $4,000 sounds like a lot of money, but for the value here, you got 8 bedrooms, you can sleep 20 people. It's really not that much, you know? I mean, a hotel in the summertime here in Orange County, a decent hotel will cost you $400 or $500 a night, and that sleeps 2 people. So, you know, it boils down to be roughly about the same price, and you don't get nearly as much. Okay, so over here, you're getting your own pool table, you're getting a lot of amenities, you know, you get all the space, and you get, most importantly, you get to keep everybody together. And so my estimate is if we can run this as a short-term rental, we'll make roughly upwards to 50 to 70, even 80,000 with this property in the summertime. But that's if we can run as a short-term rental, and if not, that's okay. We'll settle as a mid-term rental, and we'll earn, you know, between 20, 30, 40, even 50,000 a month as a mid-term rental. So it is what it is, and if you guys want to learn more about this, you know what to do. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at SheTopBnB.